Hey guys, just doing a quick video review on this VicTSing 1600 amp peak jump starter. First of all, a big thank you to VicTSing for kindly providing me with a sample. As always, I have no affiliation to the company itself. So first impressions when I got this was, it feels really well made actually. It's got a nice weight to it, which is the battery inside, which is an 18,000 mAh battery. And everything's put together really well. It doesn't seem very cheap or sort of tacky really. So you've got the soft grippy rubber there, you've got the hard shell case. On the front, I'll show you what you have. So you've got your flashing amber beacons here. You've also got a compass. And then on this side you've got a 12 volt, 16 volt or 19 volt output. Got your on and off switch, you've got your USB sockets which are 5 volts at 2.1 amp. You've also got your switch for the jump starter and the jump starter connector, and you've got a little LCD display screen as well. So I'll show you how it works. So your on button is just there. Once you turn it on, it tells you the level of charge that you have. So mine is fully charged at 100%. You can then switch between the different voltages. So at the moment it's preset to 12 volt. If I press the button there, you can see it's just switched to 16 volt. Press it again and then it switches to 19 volts. And then I can connect whichever connectors I need in order to charge up whichever device. And that's it. That's really simple. To operate the torch, you long press on the on button and then the torch will come on. So just long press. And as you can see, it's just lit up my neck, and you've got your torch that's just come on. If you press it again, it will flash into SOS mode, and then you press it again, and then it just flashes, and then finally you press it one more time, and then it turns off. To light up the amber beacon, same thing, but instead of long pressing the on button, you double tap. So there you go, double tap, and that comes on. And again, they're all LED lights inside there as well. Double tap just to turn it off. To jumpstart your car, you flick this switch to the on position. So there we go. Once you flicked it to the on position, you open this little socket. And what you do get with the device is this little carry case. And in there, there's loads of little accessories. So we'll go through each one by one. This is your jump starter. And what you would do is you plug this in and you can see that's the red light letting you know it's ready to go. You connect this to your car battery and you charge it up. Once it changes to green, it lets you know that your car battery is topped up to a sufficient level to actually start the ignition, and hopefully your car should start. If for whatever reason this starts to flash amber, you unplug this and then press the reset button, which will reset the device and allow you to recharge your battery again. So that's the charger car battery jump starter bit. Again, these are all, or these feel like nice quality made connectors. Nothing's sort of like a thin cable, it's all nice and thick and it feels quite sturdy and well made. So that's the first connector that you get with it. You also get your charger to charge the device, which is a 3-pin UK plug. This feels quite light. It's not fused or anything. Just want to make sure. No, it's not got a fuse. And then you also get an in-car charger as well, so you can top up the battery in the car whilst you're driving out and about. You also get a USB cable to charge your USB devices, which is a micro USB cable. This is your 12 volt, 16 volt or 19 volt output cable. And finally, you get a host of different adapters to connect up loads of different devices with it as well. So overall, a really comprehensive bit of kit, which works really well. Unfortunately, I haven't had a flat car, however my neighbour did, so we tested it out on his. He's a classic car collector, so he has loads of sort of classic cars that he collects, repairs. So we had a go at jumpstarting one of those. It was a small engine, so nothing really big, but it worked really well. Managed to jumpstart it and it worked really well. He he took a look at it and he quite liked it because it was quite small and it meant he can just sort of sling it in his boot and leave it there as well, which I think is a great thing about this. Ultimately, the idea is sort of you charge it up, you leave it in your boot, and you hope that you don't really need it, but if you do, you know that it's always there for you. So to the ratings, I am going to give this device a 5 out of 5 because I think it works really well made, and it feels like it's nice and sturdy, and it's gonna help me should I ever need a jump start. So as always, thanks for watching, guys.